Hi YouTube, this is Abdel Car Fix. There's a lot of videos out there, but I'll make it really short and quick. My videos don't waste too much time. Injectors. If you want to check injector to make sure the injector is the problem, on this truck right here, it's a 2096 Toyota 4runner. Misfire on 4. I checked the injector. The injectors have 0 ohms. And these are supposed to be at least 14 ohms on these. Is the spec for them. I'm trying to put here. I'm going to show you how to test it real quick. So, trying to set my phone in a way where I can show you how to do it. Guys, set your meter to ohms. See that little sign? Okay, to ohms. And I put it 2000 ohms, and then you go basically to the harness. This is the harness. These are new injector I just installed, but I'll show you what you have to do. You get the 2 terminals on the multimeter. You put one on each side. I test them already, the new ones, and they looking good. So I'll demonstrate that quick here on one of the injectors that I removed. Okay, and some of them are good actually. Some of them are good, and there's one right here. Let's try this one. See, if you put one of you lead to. I have a trouble because I have nobody to hold the camera. The guy that worked with me. Here you go. You would lead on each one of those. Okay, it's coming up with 15. That's good. That's what you're looking for, 15 ohms. And that's basically, see if I can hold it like that with my chin, show you guys what the reading. See that? I don't know if you can see it. That's the reading on this one. That's mean good. But this car is a 25 years old truck. So I decided to replace all of them because they were cheaper to replace all of them. AutoZone wants 150 for an injector, and I was able to get them on Amazon, which is I bought a lot of injector on Amazon, never had a problem. All of them for 150 bucks, all 6. So we'll replace all of them right now. This is the old ones, and that should take care of the misfire problem. If you own a Toyota 4runner in the 90s and stop misfiring, a lot of times the injectors. On those injectors will go bad quite a bit. I have replaced tons of those. So be aware of that. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.